Solution and their types. Solution, it is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. It consists of two parts, solute and solvent. Solute is a substance that is dissolved in liquid, is called solute. In laboratory science, these biological solutes are known as analysts. Solute loses its physical state to form a solution, and it is present in smaller quantity, while solvent, it is present in greater amount and it maintains its physical state. Solvent is a liquid in which solute is dissolved. Stock solution, it is a concentrated solution of salt or chemical from which working solutions are made by dilution. Standard solution is a solution in which exact concentration of solute is known. For example, standard solutions are used in diagnostic kits in the labs to estimate the concentration of known solution. Colloid is a type of mechanical mixture where one substance is dispersed evenly throughout the another. Because of this dispersal, some colloids have the appearance of solutions. These are intermediates between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. While gel is an apparently solid, jelly-like material formed from a colloidal solution, by weight, gel are mostly liquid, yet behave like solids due to addition of gelling agent. Suspensions are most likely heterogeneous. These particles in suspension are very large and can many times be seen by naked eye. They usually settle out after a period of time because of their insolubility. For example, dust particles in the air. Suspension are necessary for the dispersing of certain types of medicines, such as milk of magnesia, which must be shaken well before swallowing it. So, what is the biological importance of solution? Solutions are present in different places of body where they play an important role of maintaining health and equilibrium at different places. These solutions have different pH, concentration, pK, acidity or basicity. For example, intracellular, which contains 40% of total body weight, and extracellular, which is 20% of total body weight. Plasma, CSF, synovial fluid, ocular fluid, lymph, urine, peritoneal fluid, pericardial fluid. Osmolarity. Osmolarity is the number of osmoles per liter of a solution. The concentration of osmotically active particles is usually expressed in osmoles. 1 osmole is equals to gram molecular weight of a substance divided by the number of freely moving particles that each molecule liberates in a solution. For biological solutions, the term milliosmole is more commonly used. If a solute is non-ionizing compound such as glucose, the osmotic pressure is a function of the number of glucose molecule present. If the solute ionize and form an ideal solution, each ion is an osmotically active particle. So, the osmolarity is the number of osmoles per liter of a solution, whereas the osmolality is the number of osmoles per kilogram of a solvent. Therefore, osmolarity is affected by the volume of various solutes in the solution and the temperature, while osmolality is not affected by these. Osmotically active substances in the body are dissolved in water, and the density of water is 1. So, osmolar concentration can be expressed as osmoles per liter of water. Tonicity. Tonicity maintains the osmotic pressure of a solution and is due to its solute concentration. When solute concentration is high, the tonicity will be high, and when the solute concentration is low, the tonicity of the solution will be low. Isotonic solution, these are the types of tonicity. Isotonic solution, hypotonic solution, hypertonic solution. Isotonic solution is the solution which has the same tonicity as that of the body is called isotonic solution. These solutions can easily be given from outside. For example, 5% dextrose water and 0.9% normal saline. Hypotonic solution. Any solution which has lower tonicity than that of our normal body solution is called hypotonic solutions. Such a solution when given from outside has effect on the body. For example, 2.5% dextrose water and 0.45% normal saline. Hypertonic solution. Any solution which has higher tonicity than that of our normal body solution is called hypertonic solution. Such solutions when given from outside also has adverse effects on the body. For example, 10% dextrose water and 1.8% normal saline. Now we will see the effect of hypotonic and hypertonic solutions. When hypotonic solution is given to our body or when RBCs are kept in such a solution, the RBCs swell up and rupture. The solvent moves from hypotonic solution into the RBC, causing the RBCs to swell up. Hypertonic solution when given to our body or when RBCs are kept in such a solution, the solvent moves from RBC into hypertonic solution, causing the RBCs to shrink. Concentration. The concentration of a solution may be defined as the amount of solute present in a given quantity of a solution. Concentration is expressed as percent solution, molar solution and normal solution. Percent solution. Percent solution is prepared by dissolving a gram of a substance in 100 ml of solvent. Percent solution is expressed in three ways: weight by weight, weight by volume, and volume by volume. In weight by weight, it is the weight of a solute in 100 gram of a solution. For example, 30% weight by weight solution contains 30 gram of solute in 70 gram of solvent. In weight by volume, it is the weight of solute present in 100 ml of a solution. For example, 30% weight by volume contains 30 gram of solute dissolved in a final volume of 100 ml. Volume by volume, it is the volume of solute dissolved in 100 ml of a solution. For example, 30% volume by volume solution contains 30 ml of solute dissolved in a 100 ml of volume of a solution. Mole is a gram molecular weight of a substance. The molecular weight of the substance in grams. It is standard unit for expressing the amount of substances in SI unit. Number of mole is equals to mass in grams divided by molecular weight. Molecular weight of a substance is obtained by adding the atomic weight of the elements in the proportion contained in the compound. Molar solution, and what is molarity is the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of a solution. 1 molar solution contains 1 gram mole of a solute dissolved in solvent. That the final volume of a solution is made 1 liter. And molar is denoted by M, capital M. During the preparation of molar solution, the weight to be taken is calculated according to the following formula: M multiplied by S multiplied by V, where M is molecular weight, V is the volume in liter, and S is the strength of required solution. Molar solution. What is molality is the number of moles of a solute dissolved in 1000 gram or 1 kg of a solvent. A molar solution is one which is prepared by dissolving 1 gram molecular weight of a substance in 1000 gram of its solvent. So the final volume of a solution will be more than 1 liter. This type of solution is rarely used. It is always expressed in terms of weight by weight or moles per kg. It is a weight by weight relationship between solute and solvent. Normal solution or normality is a solution of a number of gram of equivalents of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. It is denoted by N. Capital N. 1 gram equivalent is 1 mole of an ionized substance divided by its valency. M is equals to N. Molality is equals to normality, where M is equals to N multiplied by valency. Valency is higher than 1.